Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this very short video I'll be showing you how to delete all your chats from Chatgpt. I know with the rising of the new DeepSeek and other AI platforms, it's not really fine to have all the data on these websites because they might use this for some other purposes, like to categorize you and for sell this data to the marketing companies. So I'm still not sure how they store this data. For that, you'll have to read the terms and conditions before you start using this public domain websites. So here's how you can delete your chats from Chatgpt. Just open Chatgpt on your desktop or phone and go to this profile icon here and go to settings, and here in the settings make sure to click on this delete all button, confirm deletion, and that's it. All your chats will be deleted. If you want more control, you can go to data control and click on manage shared links. So this will show you all the shared links that you have shared, all the links that you have ever pasted in the Chatgpt chat box. So you can manage that and delete that from here. And also, if you have uploaded, if you want to export all the data, you can export this. I've already deleted all the chats and all the data. And you can also request to delete your account from here. Just click on delete account. This will give you the notice. You can proceed if you want to delete your Chatgpt account completely. So that's how you can delete all your chats or export all your data and also manage your links, whatever the data you have posted, and also delete your account if you want to. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.